Top 5 AI tools that can make you $100 a day. Want to make $100 a day using AI? Here are 5 tools anyone can use, even if you've never made $1 online. Number 5. Pictory AI. Turn written scripts into full YouTube videos using AI. Perfect for starting a faceless channel like this one. Monetize with AdSense, affiliate links, or brand deals without ever showing your face. Number 4. Notion AI. Create productivity templates or business planners using Notion Plus AI. Then sell them on Etsy, Gumroad, or your own site. People pay for digital tools that save time. Number 3. Mid-Journey in our ideogram. Use AI to create art, logos, t-shirt designs, even book covers. Offer custom image packs for $20–50 online. Sell trending visuals or create your own brand. Number 2. ChatGPT plus Fiverr gigs. Use ChatGPT to write cold emails, YouTube scripts, blog posts, and more. Set up gigs like 5 cold emails for $25 or YouTube script for $40. High demand, fast delivery. Number 1. Opus Clip. This one is printing money for editors. Upload a long-form video and Opus Clip finds the best moments, adds captions, and spits out viral-ready shorts. Charge $30 to $100 per video clip for creators who hate editing. You don't need followers, you need systems. Pick one tool, learn it, hustle smart. Hit subscribe for more ways to make money with AI.